Hey, Mike McGroarty here from backyardgrowers.com. Me and the donkeys are going to do a little video for you, but first we're going to get the hammock down so that I can be comfortable. I guess I'll take my sunglasses off since I won't be so much in the shade. You going to help me? Of course you are. Because you just make it harder. Yeah, that's what I thought. How's that working out? Come on, don't stand on it, don't stand on it. Oh, you're standing on it. Hey, get off the hammock. Come on, move your butt. We got this thing backwards. It is backwards. This. There. Like that. Yeah. Hey, come on, get off of there. Boy, this all messed up. I unhooked the wrong thing. All right, off the hammock, off the hammock, off the hammock. Come on, come on, move, Fergus. Yeah. Hey, get your big head out of there. I guess I'm gonna do it without the pillow because I got the pillow under the chain up there, so. All right, how are you doing? All right, so I want to invite you to, for over 20 years now, I've been doing this thing that we call the Backyard Growers Shindig, and I've had it at my house when I was in Middle Ridge. So if you Google Mike's first backyard nursery, you can see that property, my first backyard nursery. Then when we lived in a development and I wasn't doing the nursery business, we continued to have our shindigs. We just did them. We went to nursery trade shows and stuff like that. Then when I bought this property, we've had probably almost one a year since 2010 on this property. So we're gonna continue. We've also we did it down near Atlanta a couple times. Last summer we did it near Asheville, North Carolina. We were actually down there a week before all that flooding took place. So this year we're gonna do it here in Ohio, probably 90 minutes south of Cleveland is going to be the location. It's going to be October 4th, and anybody who is in our members area is welcome to come, and highly encouraged to come because Tia gave the donkeys weeds, so they're going to take off and go work on weeds. Normally they can't stand to have somebody in a hammock without tormenting them to death. But so anyway, this Backyard Growers Shindig, and I'm gonna put a link there down at the bottom of the video, and you can see pictures of our previous shindigs and all the members that were there, and all these people will come. They're small backyard growers, and it's an amazing event for people who want to learn how and be involved with growing and selling small plants for profit. And I've had people come from California, Arizona, Michigan, New York, Maine. They come from all over the place for this little tiny one-day event. So anyway, I'm asking you to take the time, take a day and come down. I think it's not my event, it's being hosted by one of our members. But I think what her plans are is we're going to tour a local nursery, more of a larger wholesale grower, and then we're going to eat some lunch at a restaurant, and then we're going to go back to her place, tour her nursery, and we're just going to hang out and talk about plants and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, the date is October 4th. All the rest of the details you can get in the members area. The link is below. I don't know how much it costs to be a member anymore because I really don't run this thing. I'm just unpaid talent. So Dustin sets all the pricing and all that stuff. But anyway, the link below, you can find all that. You can see the photos. There's a movie there you can watch about the membership area. So, but I'm telling you, in the members area, one thing is for sure, you can always buy low price plants. I mean, $2-3 for just almost anything you're looking at. Japanese maples, of course, are more expensive, but we just got through with the Japanese maple sale in there. These are rare varieties for probably like 15 bucks a piece. So that comes up 2 or 3 times a year. But other stuff is always available depending on, this is like, we're not just now getting back into the busier shipping season because it's going to cool off a little bit. So there's going to be a ton of stuff available all through fall. And our members ship all winter long. They're always, you know, selling something. So anyway, the date is October 4th. You are invited. You know, you just have to be a member, but I highly encourage you to give that some consideration if you're not a member. But I'm also sending this out to all of our existing members to make sure that you're aware of this event and you come hang out with the rest of us for the day. So anyway, Mike McGroarty, if you have any questions, comments, or mean things to say, just post them below and I'll respond. But until then, by any and all means, stay inspired.